Well done. Now take a deep breath and listen to the world around you. It's teaching, even when it's silent. Tomorrow, Leo and Mia will face a new challenge, a test of feelings, not sounds. They'll talk about emotions and what it means to speak from the heart. So join them again tomorrow and learn English, one sound, one word, and one feeling at a time. Music to my ears, something pleasant to hear. The calm before the storm, quiet before change. Give someone a big hand, to applaud or support someone. Repeat each one slowly with me. Music to my ears. The calm before the storm. Give someone a big hand. Oh, music to my ears. Something pleasant to hear. Oh, the calm before the storm. Quiet before change. Give someone a big hand. To applaud or support someone. Repeat each one slowly with me. Music to my ears. The calm before the storm. Give someone a big hand. That's the secret to learning. Listening with your heart. When you listen not just with your ears, but with curiosity and emotion, you remember every word. Let's review today's phrases together. Mia, you know, Leo, sometimes I think the world talks to us. Leo, yeah, we just forget to listen. Maybe English is the same way. It's always talking. Leo, then we just have to keep our ears open. Now, listen again to what's happening around them. The wind, the birds. Every sound has a meaning, just like every word in English. Learning to listen deeply is the first step to speaking clearly. Give someone a big hand means to applaud or show appreciation. For example, let's give Leo a big hand for his great effort. It's not about real hands. It's about kindness and encouragement. Leo, okay, my turn now. Mia, go ahead. Mia, clap softly once. That's easy, a clap. Yeah, but what does it mean? Mia, maybe applause? Exactly. When people like something, they clap. Mia, in English, we say, give someone a big hand. Leo, smiles. That's a fun one. The calm before the storm. It describes a quiet or peaceful moment right before a change or challenge. For example, the classroom was quiet. The calm before the exam. Repeat after me. The calm before the storm. Mia, okay, next sound. Pauses. Rustling leaves. Leo, wind through the trees? Yes, and what does it mean? Leo, it's quiet, like nature is whispering. Mia, exactly. In English, we sometimes say, it's like the calm before the storm. Leo, oh, like when everything is still before something big happens? Yes, that's it. Music to my ears. This is an idiom. It means something that makes you feel happy or relaxed when you hear it. For example, when I hear your voice, it's music to my ears. Repeat it with me. Music to my ears. Mia, let's play something new today. Leo, like what? I'll say a sound and you tell me what it means in English. Leo, okay, I like that. Mia, listen carefully. Birds chirping in distance? What's that? Leo, easy. Birds singing. Mia, and what does it mean to you? Leo, it means peace, a calm morning. Good. In English, we say, music to my ears. The sun is higher today. The air is still fresh, but the wind has stories to tell. Leo and Mia are walking again through the same path. And today, they are playing a new game, the listening game.